Good morning, dear children. How are you all? Fine. I hope you all are fine. Okay. We are discussing which chapter now? Which unit? We know that physical and chemical changes. Already we have discussed about the physical changes. Okay. Today we are going to discuss about chemical changes. All those who have the book, please take out your book. Others, stay on video, watch the video carefully. Okay, students, chemical changes. What is chemical change? What is physical change? A change which cannot be reversed or can reverse. Which can reverse. And there is no new substances are formed. These type of changes are called physical changes. Just opposite it, that is chemical change. Here we can see that in a chemical change new substances are formed and it cannot reverse. In chemical change, new substances are formed and it cannot reverse. But physical change, no new substances are forming and it can reverse. So here is our definition of chemical change. A change in which new substances are formed and which cannot be reversed. By reversing the condition is called chemical change. Okay? A change in which new substances are formed and which cannot be reversed by reversing the conditions is called chemical change. Now we are going to discuss about some examples of chemical change. First one, the burning of coal or wood. Burning. The first class I told you burning is a good example of a chemical change. Coal contains mainly carbon. You know that coal contains mainly carbon. When burnt, the carbon of the coal combines with the oxygen of air to form a new substance, carbon dioxide. By burning of the coal, a new substance formed, that is carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is a gas and is liberated into the air. This change is irreversible. This chemical change, the burning of coal and wood is irreversible. It cannot be reversed. Clear? That's why this change is a chemical change. This change is irreversible. On being cooled, carbon dioxide does not give back carbon and oxygen. Clear? On being cooled, we cannot get back carbon and oxygen back. Hence, the burning of coal is a chemical change. Clear? Now here is an example of burning of paper or wood. Burning of paper or wood. Paper is made from wood, we know that. It contains carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. When burnt, it takes up oxygen from the air and forms new substances. That is carbon dioxide and water vapor. On being cooled, carbon dioxide and water vapor do not give back paper or wood. Can we get back after burning the paper or wood? Clear? Paper or wood back? Can we get back paper or wood after burning? No, we cannot get back. We will get only ash. We will get only ash. This ash cannot be a paper again. It cannot be a wood again. Thus, it is a chemical change. Burning of a paper or wood is a chemical change. Here it shows the burning of coal, paper or wood. Okay, it is an example of a chemical change. Now another example, that is rusting. Rust. When we keep iron object outside, over it some reddish brownish substance formed. A reddish brown substance formed over the iron object which is kept up outside. That is called a rust. That process is called a rusting. When a piece of iron is left in moist air for some time, a red brown solid is deposited over it. Iron combines with oxygen and moisture of the air to form a new substance called a rust, a red brown solid. This formation is called a rusting. The formation of rust is called a rusting. Scrap out the rust from a rusted piece of iron. You will find that a portion of iron under the rust has been eaten away. Just scrap out the rust from particular place. What can you see? A simple hole. Means some portion of the iron eaten by the rust. The rust formed cannot be changed back to iron by reversing the condition. That is, the change is irreversible. Thus, rusting is a chemical change. Here it shows the rusting of iron. A nail is shown. Over the nail, we can see the rust. Okay. This is a good example of a chemical change. Now we are going to discuss another example, the cooking of food. After cooking, can you get back that green vegetables and pulses and rice again? Can you get back? No. The taste of vegetables and pulses changes once they are cooked. This is because new substances are formed. Also, we cannot obtain green vegetables from a vegetable curry. Can you get back the green vegetables from vegetable curry again? No, we cannot. We are not magicians. Because it is a chemical change. Chemical change cannot be backed by anybody. Okay. Also, we cannot obtain green vegetables from a vegetable curry or grains from cooked pulses. So, the cooking of food is a chemical change. Now, another example is the curdling of milk. When milk is curdled, a new substance having a different taste is formed, curd. Clear? We cannot get back milk from the curd. So, the change is irreversible. Thus, the curdling of a milk is a chemical change. Now, another one, the boiling of egg. The boiling of egg. That is also a chemical change. An egg contains two thick liquids, the yellow yolk and a white of the egg. Okay, you can see a white and yellow part in egg. Okay. When the egg is boiled, the liquid gets hardened separately. The hard masses are different from the original thick liquids. The change cannot be reversed either. Hence, the boiling of an egg is a chemical change. Okay, students. Now, digestion. Digestion of food. Food is digested inside our body. When we eat food, it will be digested, of course. Okay. Can you get back again that food which we have eaten? No, we cannot get back. It is changed into several other things like protein, the things which we need in our body. Mainly glucose, it will be changed as glucose for the respiration. Okay. Can you get back from it again that particular food? No, we cannot. They cannot change be reversed either. Thus, digestion is a chemical change. Now, fermentation. The presence of what are known as enzymes, a sugar solution changes into that of alcohol. Carbon dioxide is also formed in the process and it's liberated as a gas. As a result, a froth is formed and the liquid appears as if it is boiling. The process is known as fermentation. Derived from the Latin word it is derived from the Latin word fervere, meaning boil. Fermentation is used for preparing alcohol from sugar. Fermentation is used for preparing alcohol from sugar. The sources of sugar are fruits and molasses obtained from the sugar industry. It is an irreversible process in which new substances are formed, therefore, it is a chemical change. Fermentation is a chemical change. Now, another chemical change, that is photosynthesis. This portion will be discussed tomorrow's section. Wait for the next video. Till then, goodbye and have a nice day.